Welcome to Make It Easy. This video has brought to you the quick, delicious and cheesy breakfast recipe to start your day off with the cheesy, gooey deliciousness. Watch this video till the end to learn the easiest recipe of your favorite cheese omelette. You will need 2 eggs, 1 cup of mozzarella, 1 teaspoon of green chilies and half a cup of chopped veggies. Take 2 eggs and whisk them until they combine thoroughly. Now add half a cup of veggies. Here I have used chopped onions, chopped green bell peppers and chopped tomatoes. And now I will add 1 teaspoon of chopped green chilies. You can add black pepper also if you like your egg to be more spicy. Now add salt to your taste. Combine well with the egg mix. Heat some oil in a pan for frying and add a dash of butter to it. And now pour the egg mixture into this. Cook it on low flame. As the egg becomes firm on the upper side, you can apply some pizza sauce on it to give it that extra flavor. If you don't have the pizza sauce, you can add the regular tomato ketchup. And now add the mozzarella cheese over the top. Now fold the omelette and cook on either side for 30 seconds. Take out on a platter. Add some more mozzarella cheese on the top. Your cheese omelette is ready to be relished. Do consider subscription to my channel if you like this content and press the bell icon for more updates. Hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And leave your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to visit Make It Easy Kashmir for more exciting recipes.